Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to resize a photo in Pixlr. It's very simple. All you have to do is go into the app and let's choose, let's say, this photo over here. So it's more like cropping, right? So let's go to the tools and here let's tap crop, and there you can do it either manually like this. You can crop out anything or whatever you want like that. You can also, maybe I want this to crop out. I only want this photo over here. You can play around like also there's an aspect ratio. You can do it 1:1, 4:3, 6:4. You can do like both ways. So this is how you resize, and once you're done, hit that tick button and you're done. So this is how you resize a photo in Pixlr. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.